In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bluestacks with OBS Studio. By the end, you'll be ready to record or stream your favorite Android games from the emulator with a clean, professional-looking capture. We'll start by getting OBS Studio set up. Head to the official website at abesproject.com, download the installer that matches your operating system, and run through the installation. When it's finished, open OBS. You'll land on the main interface with the preview in the center and two important panels at the bottom, Scenes and Sources. Scenes are like containers, and sources are the individual things you show on screen. Next, we'll add Bluestacks as a source. Look at the Sources box, click the plus icon, and choose Window Capture. This source tells OBS to grab a specific application window instead of your whole desktop, which helps keep your recording focused and avoid showing anything you don't want on screen. A small dialog will appear. Just confirm to create it and move to the Properties window. Now select the Bluestacks window itself. In the window drop-down, choose Bluestacks App Player. You should see it listed when Bluestacks is running. Once selected, the preview will display the emulator window inside OBS. If it looks good, click OK to confirm. At this point, your scene contains exactly what OBS needs to display your gameplay. Let's make sure it fills the canvas properly. In the preview area, right-click anywhere, go to Transform, and choose Fit to Screen. This snaps the Bluestacks capture to your base canvas so there aren't any black bars or edges cut off. It's a quick way to get perfect framing without manual resizing. You're ready to capture. If you want a local video file, click Start Recording. OBS will begin saving footage immediately using your current recording settings and location. The preview will keep showing you what's being captured, and you can stop anytime with the Stop Recording button. If you're going live, click Start Streaming. As long as your streaming service is already configured in OBS, your Bluestacks gameplay will be sent to your channel in real time. Keep an eye on the preview and the status indicators so you can confirm everything is smooth. That's all you need to record or stream Bluestacks with OBS Studio. Install OBS, add a window capture source, pick Bluestacks App Player, fit it to screen, and start recording or streaming. Keep this setup as your go-to scene, and you can launch into gameplay sessions quickly and confidently.